Now, electric mobility players have hailed initiatives by the government to accelerate adoption of electric vehicles through favorable clean energy policies that are anchoring e-mobility investment. Electricity Mobility Association of Kenya Vice President Moses Nderito says Kenya is emerging as one of Africa's most promising electric mobility markets due to supportive policies and growing demand for affordable, sustainable transport solutions.
I think we're still on trajectory. I think adoption is happening despite of all the challenges, and this has been driven by the high cost of fuel, the fact that we've got such a renewable grid.
We're hoping to have assembly here in Nairobi or near Nairobi. And so we are talking to one of the potential partners is AVA, so they do assembly, so we're talking to them to bring that assembly immediately. So we'll start off with SDK, which is semi-knockdown, SKD, and then eventually full assembly. So yes, absolutely, that's on the roadmap.